Nakakita ka ng isang pulubing nagmamalimos at gusto mo siyang bigyan ng pera. Ngunit kusa mo siyang hindi pinansin. Madaling makaramdam ng awa, ngunit hindi madali ang tunay na pagmamahal. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkapet pandasal. Wika ni Pope Francis, pray for the hungry and then feed them. This is what prayer is all about. Remember the story of the Good Samaritan. He didn't just feel bad for the guy on the side of the road, he actually did something to help. That reminds us that love and caring about others isn't just about what we feel inside. It needs to lead to action. It's about getting involved, even if it pushes us a little outside our comfort zone and making a real difference in someone else's life. It's not enough to just think about helping. We've got to do it. Whether it's volunteering with a group like Gawad Kalinga, just being there to listen to a friend who's going through a tough time, or even doing something small and unexpected to be kind, every little bit counts. Why not look around for a chance to turn your feelings of compassion into action? Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, bigyan mo kami ng inspirasyong maging bukas palad, lalo na sa mga nangangailangan, bilang paglilingkod namin sa mga nahihirapan. Naway madiskubre namin ang malalim na saya sa tunay na pagbibigayan. Amen.